Hey guys, Phil the Man here with a device review. Look out. I got a 26650 Mutant clone. It's not the authentic, unfortunately. I ended up, I think I spent 40 bucks on it. I know you can order them from places like 101 Vape for about 23 plus shipping. So we're gonna dive in. We're gonna take this thing apart, show you all the parts, show you how it works, and we'll have a vape off of it and see what she does. I will say that I do like it, and there's gonna be a couple things that I need to show you. I actually did have a battery incident with this mod, so we're gonna dive in, and we're just going to check it all out and see what we got. So we're going to move the cam and we'll be ready to go here in just a sec. Alright guys, so here we are down on the old desk here. And we're going to take this thing apart. Take the top cap off. Got your contacts there. Of course, no battery in it, obviously. There's your tube, solid tube, and you can see right through it, solid tube. Set that over there. Now, you got this thing. These are your magnets for your switch. This is a floating switch. And I will stress this because this is the problem I had. Where, when I bought it, I was told by someone, not anyone that works there, just somebody, that you should use it like this. Well, the problem with that is that it auto fires, because you can see the switch is down. That's up, that's down. So it's pressed in. So if you turn the mod upside down, it's going to fire. And it auto fired. And I vented a Sony 26650 battery with it. So that kind of sucked. But once I realized what was going on, I flipped the battery so it repels, and boom, you have a switch that works. Now, like I said, this is a floating switch, so this magnet will actually attach to the negative side of your battery. Let me grab a battery here. So it'll attach on both sides no matter what you do. So you can do that, which is wrong, or you can do that, which is right. The best way I can tell you to remember is that little nipple top that sticks up. That's the side that needs to attach to the bottom of your battery. So you hook that there. Put the mod back together. Now this does adjust. This pin adjusts, by the way. I'm gonna touch on this real quick. It has an addy height adjustment, which is the bigger one, and then it has a battery rattle adjustment, which is the smaller one. Now, I will say that this tube is not quite long enough, so most of the time, unless you have a really short posted atomizer, you're gonna have your battery adjustment all the way up. So let's go ahead and screw this top cap back on. We're gonna put the battery in the tube with the magnet on it, and then screw the bottom cap on. Okay, now you see how that switch is right there? There's resistance. Now there's not a lot of throw in it the way I have it. I don't want a long throw on my switches. And you can hear it. You can probably hear it clicking. And it bounces. It comes right back out every time. If you do it the other way, like I said, it will sit there like that and auto fire when it's upside down. that is dangerous. So make sure, I mean, if you get one of these and you're having auto fire issues, I mean, I would mark it if you had to. I mean, you have to do something to remind yourself that, you know, that you need to have the magnet on the right way, because that it could potentially have a battery explode in your pocket if you put your mod in upside down. I mean, I don't like to talk like that. I don't want people to think that, you know, oh, it's dangerous. No, it's not dangerous as long as you use your common sense, and that's the bottom line with it. But enough about that. I'm not going to rant anymore. These are copper contacts, or not copper, brass contacts. Brass. Don't listen to me. It's not copper, it's brass. Pretty good conductivity. Fairly low voltage drop, especially for a 26650 mod, and it being stainless steel. So we're gonna put this thing together, and we're gonna put an Addy on it and see how she vapes. Gonna put a Nimbus on it. Pull top cap. Pretty nice, pretty nice. We're gonna take the camera back up top and blow a couple clouds for you and wrap this thing up. Alright guys, so here we are, we're back up top. Let's have a vape off this beast. Look at that. Now this is a relatively low build. It's 0.12 roundabout. Gonna juice this thing up again because that was kind of dry. I don't want to be vaping dry. The good thing about this mod is that it doesn't have a lock, so you don't have to worry about a lock ring getting stuck, and the switch is recessed into the bottom. So you can set this mod down, boom, it's not gonna fire. Which is always a good thing. I'm finding more and more that I like the recessed switches. They seem to work better for me. So yeah, if you're into 26650 mods and you don't want to spend a lot of money, this guy's pretty good. I mean, it's only got about a half a volt voltage drop under load at like 0.2, so that's really not terrible at all for a stainless steel mod. Just something you might want to check out.